do.
Stack it to my depth, so I'm always gonna be me. I'm never switching up my step. Get a pound and bust it down. I low-key run the city while you niggas run your mouth. And I be paying off the feds so they never shut us down. I got junkies running in, my money never running out.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another wig review for you guys. And this is the Bobbi Boss MLF 432. And that's a mouthful, but long story short, it's this crimp style from Bobbi Boss. Forgive me, I'm missing a nail, so I'm gonna act like we didn't see that. There's a stock card right here, and then this, like I said, is the MLF 432 Patrice, and it is a wavy synthetic unit. You can definitely get a wavy hair look this summer for about 30-40 bucks, like totally inexpensive. Yeah, what made me like really lean toward this buying or purchasing this wig basically is the stock card. Like, I wanted this wig in this color. I love some color. Unfortunately, everyone had it. It was sold out everywhere, so that was sucked. This hair has a 5-inch parting space. It has the ear tabs, and it comes with baby hairs. There's no pre-plucked anything in here, and I 110% advise you not to pluck a synthetic wig, period, because you'll get a hot freaking mess, especially from the head. So the hair is heat safe. It doesn't say like to what extent on the stock card, but I will tell you right now, I'm gonna say it's safe to 475 degrees because I had to lay this bad boy down. It comes with some really thick baby hairs and some long baby hairs, so obviously you need to go in and tweak that, tweeze that, pluck that, and lay them down, because sis, it ain't gonna work if you ain't gonna do it. But overall, like, the style is gorgeous, and it's kind of long. I'm 5'5", and they like go past my boobs, so that's great. Off bat, the hair does not shed. It comes in this wave pattern, as you guys can see. Super cute. Super cute waves. The more you play with it, the bigger the hair gets. It's not thin by any means, so keep that in mind. This is actually all the hair to the front. Majority of the hair is wave. I will say, like, you see like some pieces like at the end, like kind of straggly, but that's okay. And the hair is layered, but it's not super duper layered, and you guys know I'm all for a non super duper layered look. Now, some things about this wig, right? It's like one of your old school beauty supply store wigs, and when I say that, I say it's not pre-plucked. You can see the knots from a mile away. Parting it is a pain, but this is a T-shaped wig. So what a T-shaped wig basically means that you have one place you can part it, because it comes with a part in a sense, and then you have the ear tabs. This is a side view where you guys can like see the waves. Really nice waves. Like, this look like a human hair unit. It really does. It does not tangle. Like, baby, this is a synthetic wig. I'm running my hands through a synthetic curly wig, sis. No tangles, no snags. Does it shed? No. And those curls, sis, stop it. Bomb. One thing I do hate about this hair or this wig is the parting space. So yes, it's a very long parting space, but it's gonna be known like a mile away. Like, yes, people don't realize, like, okay, maybe this ain't growing out my head, even though I'm growing out my scalp, even though sometimes I can get away with wigs where like I'm growing out my scalp. This kind of don't. Like, it lay flat, but I had to really go in and lay this bad boy flat. And even like the hot comb is not gonna be enough to get it flat. Like, you need to, what I did was I used some you know, hair wax, those wax sticks, or you use some beeswax from ViiLuxx brand, and you lay it down and put a comb to it, then press, and possibly add water if you don't have a hot comb, and that should get it straight. But a hot comb alone is not gonna get this bad boy straight, sleek, none of that. Yeah, look, the model looks so pretty on this card. She really do. And I really wanted that blonde, y'all. Like, I really wanted that blonde, but couldn't get it. So this hair usually comes in like your traditional colors, 1B2 for $613, and then a variety of highlights here, highlights there, purple, reds, burgundies, whatever you want, they got it for you. I picked this hair up from samsbeauty.com because this reason why, because they always got stuff in stock. That's the only reason why I go to them. Yeah, do I recommend purchasing this wig? Doing it, ask myself that. Go pick you up one. Like, this hair is so bomb. Like, yeah, it's giving me crimp styles. You know how crimps are so in right now. You don't need to go buy a crimper. You don't even go have it long hair. Just go buy this wig and you'll be good. And it looks like human hair wig. Like, I have my ring light in front of me. I have the natural light, you know, glaring into my room, and you can't tell me this shit looks synthetic. But yeah, guys, that's it. That's the end of my review. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that bell notification to stay in touch, keep updated with me. See you guys later.